not by the floral, bright, happy shirt that I have on. It is pouring outside. I know quite a few of you may have had questions on whether or not my hood vest would be okay in the rain. I guess we're gonna find out today. So I'm just like not even a mile down the road from my work. So far, they're doing their best, I guess, in this situation. I was sitting out in the parking lot for a few hours, so if it's gotten rain inside the engine bay, it's surely gotten in there now, but it was raining out a little bit harder than it was earlier. So this is just a super quick video, and if anything happens, I'll update you, and I'll let you know when I make it home, and then we can kind of settle the debate on whether or not open hood vents are bad in a Miata. So it's kind of calmed down just a little bit. I'm not so worried about driving because I feel like at speed the rain will just kind of wash up and over the hood anyways. That is a big storm over there, and I don't know if I'm gonna have to drive through it, but I'm about halfway home. Still, so far so good, no issues. So let's hope we can make it home before that. Alright, so I think we made it out of all the rain, which is lucky. No issues, I'm almost home, so once I get home, we'll open the hood, see how much water is still underneath it. But right now there's no rain and car's driven fine, so I'm not too worried about it. It wasn't the heaviest rain, but it was heavier than usual, at least for Texas. So I'm sure if it was torrential, I probably wouldn't drive the car at all. But I'm pretty confident that the hood vents will be fine in the rain. But once we get home, I'll update you and wrap this video up. Hood is pretty dry, but that's to be expected after driving through no rain. And it's gonna be kind of hard to tell, but it doesn't look super bad. You can definitely see on the camera where the air box got wet. Looks like the fuse box got kind of wet too. But otherwise, I don't really notice anything out of the ordinary. There's some pretty good water puddles around where the math connects. It's a little concerning, but I should be weather sealed at least a little bit. Definitely some good puddles there. You can see the reflection. Coolant tank held up just fine. Doesn't look like there's too much on the battery box, but all the water probably soaked off of that. So yeah, it seems like the singular hood vents on the NC Miata will do just fine in the rain. I guess, at least in my case, it was fine. So thanks guys for watching this short little video. I hope if you're on the fence about hood vents, maybe this video will help. Otherwise, go watch that coolant tank install video. I put it up yesterday, and hope you're having a great day and it's bright and sunny and not raining, and hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, leave a like. See you in the next one.